In this video, I will show you the design of a homepage I did for a B2B SaaS company and explain you the strategy behind each element and section. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here first we have the hero of this homepage, and in the hero you can see the common elements each website or each B2B SaaS website has. We have a headline, we have a subline, we have two call to actions, we have some trust elements, and here's some kind of illustration, but let's get into it. So the headline, here it's very important to include the product category and the main benefit. And in this subline, we are repeating the ICP, or actually just naming it by B2B revenue teams, even so the ICPs already can identify themselves with this headline. And we go more into details with the benefits and the features. And the CTAs, we have two of them. The primary CTA, the dark blue one, this one is made for product-aware users, and it's pretty standard to offer them a free demo. And the second one is for solution-aware users and offering them a free product tour. And of course, we never should skip this, and the hero is some trust elements here. So we've integrated here this G2 ratings. Very important. Sorry to interrupt you, but if you like this kind of videos, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel not to miss any future videos like this. But now let's get back to the video. Because this is a process-driven B2B SaaS, they don't have like one or two main features as capabilities. For them, it's more the process that is the USP and the main capability. So instead of showing some dashboard illustration here or some animations or some video, we decided to go showing their process here. Why are these elements in the hero so important? They are important because they answer the most critical questions new users have when they visit your website, and it is, what's in it for me? Or in other words, maybe, is this something for me? What is it? And what benefit do I get from it? Okay, so let's get to the next section. It's this logo marquee here. It's just customer logos animating through in a never-ending loop. This section actually should tell, look, they are all trusting us and use our product, so you can do the same. Here, the second section, you can already see it in the tag here. It's called the problem, and it is actually naming the three most common problems the ICP of this company is facing. And the strategy behind this is to agitate the problems by telling them here. And the second one is to show authority, because the company behind this product shows the ICPs or the users that they actually know their problems and understand their problems. And without light, there are no shadows. And that's why the next section is called the solution. And this solution, just very simple, in one large sentence, shows the solution to the problem above. And what makes this section so great is that we here have these small customer success stories in a slider that is actually supporting the solution and also giving a proof for it. Then the next section, it shows the capabilities of the product. And because the capability of this product is more a process than one or two features, the entire layout is here this scroll-based, has the scroll-based interaction with 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, for each of these steps, at first, here in this tag, we show the process. Then here's a headline that always is a combination of get a benefit by this feature. And then here it's also listed more features to explain the benefit you get from it. And here on the right hand side, we always have an illustration that is supporting the copy here from this side. So it's showing the solution, showing a process, or just visualizing the benefit you get from the product. And yeah, what makes this so great is that it shows the process and its benefits and features, but includes everything into a process just because you can scroll down and can see that these are steps that are connected to each other, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we come to this section. It's a testimonial section, and this is actually one of my favorites on this website, and what it makes so smart is that here we have tabs, and there's one tab for the personas of the company, so revenue, operations, executives, sales, and customer success. And on the left side, we have a testimonial, and those are testimonials, they have brief copy. It's easy to read. We have a large photo that shows some personality on a photo. We have a name, we have a position, we have a company, we have the logo of the company, and also the most important stuff from this quote is also here in this little stats shown. And on the right hand side, it shows the value proposition, an individual value proposition for each persona. And that is what this section makes so strong, because the testimonial and the value proposition, they agitate each other. And yeah, that's just great. Then the next section is this use case section. And here we have a slider showing just some different showcases, and you can click on learn more to deep dive into these use cases. And what's great about this section is that it gives the possibility to deep dive in to the solutions for users in all stages. So let's say you are totally unaware. You can explore the capabilities of this product just by having a glance at the overview of use cases here. Or if you are already problem solution aware, almost aware, and you just want to know some details about some features or some processes, you can also click on learn more and just really get into the details of this product. So really great. So this section, security section, it is some features that are most likely interesting for enterprise customers, but at the same time, it's also a trust section, because it shows that this is not a company that was founded yesterday or something like this, and they are taking their product and data security serious. And I mean, even if you're not an enterprise customer, stuff like this, you will think, okay, that's great. That seems to be a great product. There seems to be a great development team and process behind it and everything. Yeah. Then we come to this resource section. Maybe a lack of this website is that it doesn't show that much faces. And I think that's a lack for most B2B SaaS companies. And this is a great opportunity just to show some faces here. And so we did here with this podcast. These are all interview guests from the podcast that are well known in this revenue bubble. And so we are showing their faces here. Listing the podcast here again shows authority and gives people from all stages the possibility to deep dive into the content and to the solutions of this company. And here on the right side, we have 2 downloads. The first one is for free forecast cheat sheet. This is great because that's a call to action for users that are solution or problem aware. And you should never skip this ones on your website because the greater part of your traffic will be not solution aware or not ready to buy your product. And this one, that's a CTWare for totally unaware users, but at the same time also attracting existing customers or solution aware customers, because it's this salary report is actually interesting for everybody in this niche. So that's also a great lead magnet that can be placed here on the homepage. Then, of course, there is a last call to action on this homepage for the demo. And what makes this section great is the color. It really sticks out. And it's combined here with all these trust icons, just some reviews this company got for their product. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.